Guess what such a big box is used for? When you open the box, you will see a wooden gift box. Peel off the protective film. It sounds a bit like ASMR, right? Watch box has a suede finish, which feels very nice to the touch. This is the series of watches launched by Lucky Harvey in the year of the dragon. Let us see what it looks like. The dragon body is made of 925 silver, while the dragon bead is made of 24,000 gold. The dragon is finely carved so that all its scales are visible, and the 3D painting process makes it lifelike. The case is made of 316 stainless steel, with a diameter of 43 millimeters, and the lugs are hollowed out. It is worth noting that the case has been brushed and chamfered. The winding rotor is designed to match the theme of the dial on the front, with a white dragon spitting beads and a colorful winding rotor. Automatic winding is also very buttery. Strap is made of a combination of genuine leather and rubber, combining the texture of genuine leather with the comfortable wearing experience of rubber. White Dragon will perform a bead spitting action every hour, spitting out beads instantly on the hour and then slowly retracting them over the next hour, recirculating. Wear it on your hand to see the effect. It looks really cool. White Dragon is generally regarded as the water god and the dragon king of the sea in China, and has intelligence and mysterious symbolic meanings. Exquisite envelope contains a precious metal appraisal certificate, a cleaning cloth, instructions, and a warranty card. Are you prepared to have one?